back and forth to Los Angeles, a grueling 4-hour round trip for auditions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how you can create this kind of travel route animation video in DaVinci Resolve very easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the edit page, go to the effects and search for the fusion composition and drag drop to your timeline. Now right click here and open this in the fusion page. Now you have made the image of the map. Press Ctrl plus I import this image and drag it as a media in. Now connect the media in output with the media out. Now press space plus shift and search for the paint node. And select the polyline stroke and draw a path like this. Now go to the first frame and expand the stroke control option and set a keyframe for the right on end value to 0.0. Now go to the 50 frame and increase the end value to 1.0. Now go to the 52 frame and add another keyframe there. Now simply copy the pin node and paste right after it. Now go to the modifiers and change the color to red. And we have just add another keyframe for the 110th frame. Here we will decrease the end value to 0.03 or something like that. Now again we have to copy this and paste it. Now here in the third pin node, go to the first frame and set the right on end value to 0.001. And at the 50 frame set the start value to 0.999. Now at the 110th frame set the end value to 0.001. Now decrease the spacing to 0 and set the apply mode to merge. Now in the brush contours set the brush shape to image and in the tablet settings set the image source to clip. Now browse the image you want to add. Here I will add the car image which I have already generated in ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Now you can see the image and it is animating through the path, but at this frame we will change the image cause we will coming back, so the image will be horizontally 180 degree rotate. So add a keyframe for the source file and change the image which is horizontally 180 degree rotated. As you can see, I have imported the second image and now this will look perfect. So here is our total animation, and now you can add your text or any elements that you will make your video look like this. So I hope you learned something from this one, and if you really enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.